it's a niche that doesn't discriminate, and it's inclusive to everybody, right? I mean, at the end of the day, you don't have to be a rocket scientist. Heck, I know people who can barely speak English and still run a cleaning business, so it's awesome to see. It's very rewarding, so it's just something that I've seen people start going from nothing to having everything they ever wanted. So cleaning business owners tend to be hard workers, tend to be ambitious, tend to be driven. So it's a true pleasure and a true honor to work with them. You know, I have seen people from all walks of life desire more for their life. A lot of people have the ambition, have the drive, but they don't know how to use it. They don't know how to make it into something more. You know, the difference between dreaming and reality is implication. So being a coach allows me to be the bridge between someone's now dream and then someone's newfound reality. Well, the biggest thing is always looking at a foundation, right? My main policies in business and in life are based on biblical principles, which at the end of the day, not having principled ethics, not having a principled approach is 90% of the difference between a struggling and a thriving business. I was always told that attitude is the number one thing in business, and I wholeheartedly believe it. When you take attitude, honesty, and integrity, you have a winning recipe. I have met some of the best people in my life, coaches, mentors, people who I look up to on a daily basis through this business. And I have seen people come together in ways that you wouldn't even imagine through this industry. So it's a very big thing to look at and not look down on. Cleaning may be the lowest thing you can do, but being an owner, being successful in your own regard, there's nothing that can top it.